Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Jades of Tech. In this session, we are going to discuss about closing the gap from SAP tutorials to your first job. This would be a very important video for you if you are looking for getting a break in SAP or if you're looking for a change in your existing job. And here we're going to discuss about the pattern, the uh, what exactly will enable us to get a job or change the job quickly for a more demanding one. You should be first stop wasting your time on endless SAP tutorials that never lead to an interview. You have the knowledge, but where is the paycheck? Now, the the main problem is the most aspirants are stuck in learning mode forever because they lack a conversion strategy. Today, I'm showing you the exact 90-day roadmap we use at Jade Softtech to turn theoretical knowledge into a signed job offer. Now, I'm going to reveal the portfolio secret, the one thing you can do right now to stand out to the recruiters, even with zero official experience. This isn't just advice, it's a proven system backed by our 20 years of placement success. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing the specific job offer checklist that most candidates completely miss. Let's close the gap. Now, here is a step by step strategy to turn the knowledge into income for SAP aspirants and career switchers. We all of us learn SAP module, a particular module. So that's what I'm talking about the step one. It's tutorials, learn and practice. And what we miss are the remaining steps. The second step would be strategic learning and projects. The third step would be building portfolio and profile. And the fourth step is apply and get the job. Now I'm going to talk about five-step process which will help us to land us into a SAP job. So I'm going to talk about the actionable roadmap plus real hiring insights. Now, what exactly is the real problem for SAP learners generally face? Everyone who is looking out for a job or a change in SAP job, what we normally do is we watch a lot of videos or we learn a particular module with a lot of 100 plus hours, and we do have the certification but no interviews. We lack real time project exposure and not knowing how hiring managers think. Why tutorials alone don't get you hired? Because the companies hire problem solvers and not note takers. Practical scenarios matter more than theory. Resume must show implementation experience. Interviewers test application, not the definitions. The step one to master one module deeply. So you need to choose based on the market demand and also your educational background. For example, if you are a BTech graduate or a Bachelor of Engineering graduate, you should be probably going for a technical module like ABAP, ABAP. And if you are from MBA finance background, you can probably choose SAP FICO, that's finance and controlling. It is also referred as S4 HANA Finance. Now, the second step would be second step would be to understand end-to-end business process, and then learn integration touch points, prepare real business case examples. Once it's been done, the step two would be build a mini implementation project. Create a mock company scenario, document configuration steps, prepare process flow diagrams, create issue resolution examples. Third step would be create a powerful resume and LinkedIn profile. So at JSFTech, we're going to help you in this. It saves a lot of your time and kicks off your interview calls. Highlight project based learning, add measurable achievements, use recruiter friendly keywords, and show certifications and practical exposure as much as possible. Step 4 would be to crack interviews like a consultant. Prepare 50 most asked interview questions so that when they ask you, you should not be having a pause in your talk. You should be very clear and confidently talking. So for that, you have to be very clear about what would be the question and what would be the answer. I'm going to help you in this as well when you will join the project batch. So practice scenario based interviews, learn basic debugging and troubleshooting, communicate confidently and clearly. Step 5 would be strategic job applications. So you got to have target SAP partner companies. That's where you need to apply for. Apply through referrals, attend SAP focused job drives, and stay consistent. 20 applications per week is what actually is a normal standard that we think of. And consider C2H as well, the contract to hire positions as well. Once you get the experience, that would actually lead to even better job. So the target is to stay persistent, track applications, and follow up, then get hired. Now, your 90-day action plan is what we already have in place. How to get your first SAP job. So, we have got freelance small SAP tasks. You can gain real experience on small projects, build a portfolio, look for short term opportunities. Intern with SAP consulting firms, network with professionals, learn from experienced SAP consultants, potentially secure full time job offers. Contribute to SAP forums and communities, answer questions, share knowledge, engage in discussions, SAP community, and Reddit. Build personal SAP demo videos, create highly quality video tutorials, showcase your SAP skills, publish on YouTube or LinkedIn. Now, for getting an SAP job, if you wish not to waste your time, contact us at our email ID info@jsftech.com or WhatsApp us at +91, that's Indian code, and then 7842000555. So if you are contacting us from within India, you can just consider the number 7842000555. But if you're trying to contact us from out of India, you should add the India code as +91. What exactly would happen when you join our SAP project batch is that you save your time. Your time is the most important resource that you have, and once you join a project batch, our proven 20 plus years of experience in placing candidates will help you and help you in getting the job quickly rather than you doing it individually. And we increase your chances of getting hired in the coming sessions. And thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to our channel, share this with your friends and colleagues, and comment what you think about this, and you can give us suggestions as well for the next videos. And do contact us for joining in the project batch, which will actually save a lot of your time. Thank you. Have a great day.